Now it's time to string our beads and make the charm. Take one piece of cord, start our pattern. It's easier when you lay out your pattern or design ahead of time. That way you just pick the beads up and place them on your thread. These don't take long at all to make. Now when you're all finished, you take both of the pieces, string cord, and tie tightly. I like to tie it a few times, make it more secure. Take some scissors. You're going to cut both of them. Then I like to just tuck the ends, the excess, into the bead. That way you can't see it. On that one, like that. To attach to a phone case, you put it through. And then take the charm and place it all the way through. Like that. And that's what it looks like. I'm recording on my phone, that's why I just have the case. I'm using my phone, so I can show you my phone. These are all the ones that I've made so far. Glow. These have glow-in-the-dark beads. XOXO. Frozen. I love music. I love books. XOXO. BFF. Hug. Fab Day. ABC. XYZ. XOXO. I love dogs. I love cats. Brave. I'm doing a giveaway with the 2 charms that I made in this video. To be entered in the giveaway, you need to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.